Unit 7 gets us going on tables. And so we're going to start off, again, if you look at your materials, that we're going to start in docs. So I'm in my business applications folder. Come down to tables, and number 1 is money mindset. And this has very specific instructions here on completing this, and you can get the text for the assignment right out of your materials provided by your teacher there. So we're going to go to Google Docs and start a blank document. Then center Arial size 18 and enter once. All caps, enter down one time. Table, insert 3x9. So insert table, and we can just use this little graphic here. Oops, I clicked a little too fast. 3x9. Highlight the first 2 cells, right click and merge. So each of these little squares is a cell. So I highlight them both, right click, merge cells. Now you can see that it's made them into one. Highlight cells 2 through 9 in the third column, right click and merge cells. So 2 through 9, right column, merge cells. Now you should see by looking at your materials that it kind of matches with the layout we're looking for. So now we can scroll down, drag the vertical line between columns 1 and 2 to be approximately a ½ inch as shown. So you can look up here, I'm looking up here in my ruler bar and I can see the ½ inch mark there. Select Arial 11 point font and key the information as shown in the book. Alright, so I'm going to make sure, and I'm going to select the whole table here and switch it to 11. So, oops. So we need everything at 11, so I'm just going to make sure I select 11, and I'm going to go ahead and enter all this information in. Alright, I've typed in everything in 11 point font, so I'm going to come back over here and check. Highlight row 1, give the cells a light green 2 background and fill with the paint bucket. And then we're going to select and give the cells a dark green border with 3 point thickness. And then we're going to add under our source, Money in the Money 101 College in Colorado. So I'm going to come back here. I've highlighted the first row. Oops. Come up here and it says, let's see, what was that? Light green 2. So when you click on these, if you hold your mouse over it, it'll tell you what they are. So light green 2. And then I can do the same with my border tool. Oops. That's a way to get more colors here. Let's see, I think it said, oops, let's double check. Dark green 3 and 3 thickness. So let's make sure we have it selected. Dark green 3 and then size 3 on the border. So we'll end up with something like that. Then it says to come down below our table. We're going to select Align Right, change to 8 point font, and type Money 101 College in Colorado.org. And again, to complete this, file and download as PDF. Remember, they go in the downloads folder and you just need to copy them into your drive that your teacher specified to save all your assignments.